My name is Arya Hakimian, and today we are taking a look at the thermal conductivity testing for building thermal mass performance in cement.
So here are examples of these samples that we devised specifically to tailor towards the thermal conductivity and diffusivity testing that with the C-Therm machines here. So here is just kind of a quick videos showcasing a range of material samples that we're able to test here. And then with the help of the C-Therm instrument, we're able to robustly test the thermal properties of these samples with a high degree of precision. So here is kind of just a quick glimpse of what that looks like in our lab. And here is to show that kind of the range of conductivities and diffusivities related to the samples that we're able to test in our labs here. So what we're really interested in is that we want to kind of maintain or even enhance the thermal conductivity of the concrete material, because that bear consequences in thermal mass performance, specifically the damping, indoor temperature damping factors that we described earlier.
Simplifying thermal conductivity.